Hey guys, it's Ryan with Seneca Woodworking here, and I want to show you how this product, our Domiplate, can save you time and money on every project you build. The Domiplate is a fixed fence solution for the Festool Domino 500. It's been one of our best-selling products globally now for nearly a decade, and I thought it was time to finally give you a rundown of how it works. The Domiplate is a CNC machined aluminum plate that replaces the fence in the Domino, and it has two main benefits. The first is the quick repeatable setup for two thicknesses of stock. The Domiplate is double-sided, and each side is preset with an offset for a specific thickness of stock. Simply select which side you need, install the knob on that side, thread the captive screws entirely into the Domiplate, and attach it to your Domino. Now your Domino is set up and ready to use, and you can be sure you're getting the exact same offset every time you set it up this way. The second benefit is prevention against fence drift. Sometimes if fence adjustments aren't fully secured, the fence can tilt or drift as you use the Domino. Because the Domiplate is machined from one solid piece of aircraft-grade aluminum, there's no adjustability. This means that every time you install the Domiplate, your offset will be exactly the same, and it's impossible for that offset to change in the middle of mortising a project. This protection against fence drift can save thousands of dollars in ruined sheet goods and endless amounts of frustration. Our standard Imperial Domiplate works with 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch material, but we have an Imperial 5/8 and 7/8 version as well. Also, we have a metric 12mm and 8mm version with more options to come in the future.